Hey guys, Brian with WP Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the Hostgator additional services, or also known as Hostgator add-on services, that are offered during the checkout process when signing up for Hostgator Web Hosting, so that you have a clear understanding of what each of the Hostgator additional services is, as well as going over whether or not you need any of the Hostgator additional services. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that Hostgator has provided me with, so you can save some money on your Hostgator domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 66% off Hostgator hosting, plus a free domain name for annual plans, or a domain discount for non-annual plan. To take advantage of the Hostgator discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Let's get started with the Hostgator Additional Services tutorial. I'm at the Hostgator Add Additional Services section. There are 5 Hostgator additional services that you can choose from. They consist of the SSL Certificate, Sitelock Essentials, Professional Email, Site Backup, and Hostgator SEO Tools. Let's start with the SSL Certificate add-on. Hostgator does come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for your site, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you want to upgrade to a Positive SSL Certificate, which will allow you to show a site security badge on your site, and with the Positive SSL Certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty by Comodo. For most, the free Let's Encrypt SSL Certificate is just fine. Next, you will see Sitelock Essentials. This add-on checks your website daily for malware and protects your site from hackers and malicious attacks. It will notify you if your site has been hacked into and malicious code has been placed into it. Sitelock Essentials also removes malware automatically. This add-on can be beneficial and give you peace of mind if your site were to get hacked into and malware is placed on it. If you're going to be using WordPress for your site, there are free security plugins that do a good job at security as well. 2 popular security plugins that I recommend are Securi and All-in-One Security and Firewall. These plugins protect your site and make it really hard for your site to get hacked into where malware can be placed on it. These free plugins don't remove the malware if you are hacked into. You can pay a fee to get it removed, so something to keep in mind. The next add-on is Professional Email. This add-on provides you with an email address ending in your domain name along with other features provided by Google Workspace such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, Video Conferencing with Meet, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Hostgator does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. In my opinion, the add-on isn't needed. The next add-on is Site Backup. This will back up your site daily, and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with their one-click restore. This add-on can be a good one because if your site gets hacked into, or you mess something up while creating it or editing it, you can restore it to the version right before whatever happened took place, and everything will be back to normal. This add-on can be very beneficial as you never know when you might need it. If you're going to be using WordPress to create your site, there are free backup plugins you can use. The ones I recommend are Upgrade Draft Plus and BackWPup. These plugins are free and will back up your site. Something to keep in mind, they do not come with a one-click restore option, so you'll have to manually get your website back to how it was on a previous backup manually and not automatically. Something to keep in mind. In my opinion, this Hostgator add-on can be very beneficial as you never know when you might need it. The next add-on is Hostgator SEO Tools. Hostgator SEO Tools will provide you with reports, insights, and analytics regarding the SEO for your site, and it'll recommend things to do to improve the SEO of your site. It will also report your site to search engines. This add-on isn't really necessary. It touches the basics in terms of SEO and is limited in what it tracks. It could be helpful for some if you aren't familiar with SEO at all. In my opinion, utilizing Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and if you are using WordPress to create your site, having the Yoast SEO or Rank Math plugin can set you up for some of the basics regarding SEO and guide you on your pages and posts you create. I've now covered all the Hostgator additional services that you can choose from. I hope you enjoyed this Hostgator web hosting tutorial. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.